You know what I mean?
Oh, nice. You got the other one coming.
Yeah, this is coming out. And then I'm going to take my time and do the other one. Yeah. I'm going to take my time.
One day. That's
one day, bro. One day. One day.
Wow.
One day. Just to, you know, try to put something, put something together.
Dude, this looks good.
Bro, and I just threw it together, bro. This took me one day, man, just to throw it together.
One day to put this together.
That's it. I went to Jose Estrada.
Yes,
and I got a couple speakers from Jose Estrada.
Yep.
And he was like, bro, just play these, you know what I'm saying? Build you a little something.
That's right.
So I was like, okay. So I just built a little something. And just to come out here and mess around with, man. But my amp started making that noise, so I was like, I don't know what it is. So I was like, I'm just not going to demo it because I don't want to, you know what I mean? I don't want to fry my car up or anything. But
the noise is only the tweeters. If you turn your tweeters off, you won't hear it really.
Yeah.
What it is normally ground issue. So if you hear any sound, it's from these. If you turn these off, you won't hear it really.
And then that ground, now the noise that's coming out of the subs, I'm not trying to, I mean, I don't know what the hell. I was told that the amp, because I got a Banda, and it's only a Banda 5,000 by 2.
Okay.
And it's pushing 218s, which is just, like I say, it was a lot of stuff that I had at the house, and I just figured, hey, let's throw it in there.
What 18s are these?
And, Zv3, man, actually.
Zv3s?
But the different, because it's got the 10-inch, the Nightshade 10-inch spiders.
Yep.
It's got the Team Sundown soft parts.
Okay.
And then it's got the Zv3 Motors.
Yes.
So it's like a whole little.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. So it's kind of like a custom sub between 3 or 4 different options.
Correct.
I know what you mean.
Correct. That's what it is. So I mean, other than that, man, I just put it in here, man, just to try to get a little, just to make it play. But then my amp started doing that crazy noise, man, and I was like, what the hell? But I mean, it'll still, it'll still play. It'll still play.
That honestly is not that bad.
Right now.
It'll bug you, but it's not. I've heard worse.
Right. Yeah.
I'll hear it, man.
Kool-Aid in my fridge, everybody show me love, yeah.
It'll play, but then I get that little funny ass, keep on cutting my light on, but then I get that funny ass noise, you know what I mean? So,
right here.
Yeah, no, it comes from out of my speakers, like out of my bass speakers.
The subwoofers.
Like, yeah, if we sit here, my subs, but if you sit here for a second, and like I say, Shane built the amp, so he was like, take it out, bring it back to me, we'll try something. But,
it could be a bad RCA too. I know people, bad RCA, bad ground, they even have fuses in the head units that pop, but if it's the head unit, it would be everything. Yeah.
Man, I watch a lot of your videos on YouTube, man. That's why I was surprised when you walked up. I'm like, shit.
Yeah, we like to check them out.
Jacob right
yes,
here,
sir.
Man.
I'll help you with anything if I can, man.
Hell yeah, man. I sure appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
I'm like I say, I got another box that I'm building. The guy he designed it for me, so I'm gonna try to do a different design in the box.
This looks good though. It's a fourth order.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know the tuning?
No, I just threw it together, man.
Just threw it together, so you just made it work.
I just made it work.
That's right. Hey, it's playing though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's playing. You know what I mean?
Awesome.
But yeah, man, it's just something I threw together, man.
Yes,
I appreciate you coming in, bro.
You're welcome, man. I like that bass knob.
Yeah, man.
Can I see the amp?
Yeah, I mean, you can see. I'm gonna show you what I did.
All right. That's good for one day, dude.
Yeah, bro. One day, all this stuff.
Heck yeah,
I threw it in there and say, please work. That's what I did. You know what I mean? I'm like, please work, please work. And I mean, it works for what it is. But my other setup, man, I got another setup. This one here. You know what I mean? The guy built for me, so I got all this. You know what I mean?
Oh, nice. You got another one coming.
Yeah, this is coming out. And then I'm gonna take my time and do the other one. Yeah. I'm gonna take my time.
One day. That's
one day, bro. One day. One day.
Wow.
One day, man. Devin.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Thanks for
man.
watching, man.
It's good to meet you, man.
There you go. Yes, sir.
I'm glad I got to meet you.
Man.
Hell yeah, bro.
Stop by. You're welcome.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yes,
sir.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.